Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute stationery item that's in Japan, and I just love looking for things that I can use because they're just awesome paper pieces and you can use them for origami and other things like that. This is what we call binsen, which is like basically the paper of a letter set that you can buy and use for writing letters to people. And it's made by the company MIDORI, which makes really great paper and origami paper as well. I was lucky and able to buy this on sale. It's probably more like 500 yen, maybe 400 or 500 yen. I got it for 200 yen, so always good to check out the discount sections when seasons end and stuff like that. This is a nice paper because it's meant to be kind of, I say like boyish or masculine, I guess you could say. Sometimes it can be hard. The collection of things that are available for guys or for something simple, or if you are trying to write a letter to a guy, it can be kind of limiting of the things that are available. I know some guys don't feel very good about buying, letter sets that are just covered with tons of kittens and flowers everywhere. So this is a very simple, nice letter set that has really pretty paper and these nice guidelines that are in gold, and it's a tearaway kind of pad of paper for you to write your letters on. And it comes in two colors, so there's this light tan and then this kind of cool green. They both have the gold marker lines. Now normally in Japanese letter writing you would start from left to right and you'd write from top to bottom, so that's usually the way it can go, but you certainly can draw as a regular, like we would in the West, writing this way. So the lines work either way, I think, and creates a really cool effect. And the papers are great, so you could easily use this obviously for writing letters, but you can also use it for any kind of crafts projects. And the design itself and the paper quality is just very pretty. Now it's not obviously, oh, I said there's three colors. It's two. It's actually three. Excuse me. Yeah, I was like, is that just the light of my camera and stuff here? Nope, there's this light tan, darker tan, and green. How pretty. What a pretty color combination. And to get that for just 300 yen, 200 yen is a really good price. So this set has, yeah, it says right here, 15 sheets inside, and it's 11 lined kind of paper. So definitely a really nice fun paper for you to use, and I think it's a good quality for sure. It's rectangular. If you're going to use it for origami paper projects, you'd need to adjust it to square size, but certainly worth getting if you're interested in it. So check out the stationery sections when you're here to visit, because if you want them for the purpose of actually writing letters, it's great, or if you're just looking for some fun, unique paper, it's a wonderful place to look. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.